I'm Ryan Parker, Parker Home Renovations, and today I'm going to teach you how to find a wall stud. Okay, there's several different ways you can find a wall stud. You might need to do so if you're trying to hang a picture or a towel bar or hang anything heavy. You may need to locate a stud. The first thing that you could do, probably the easiest way to do it, is to go to the store and find you a stud finder such as this. And what you'll do with the stud finder is you'll hold the back of it on a wall. You'll press the button on the side, and you just drag it across the wall until the red light lights up and it starts beeping. And that tells you where the edge of the stud is. And you'll want to mark it on the wall until you find both sides of the stud so you know where to nail. And you want to nail in the middle of the stud. The second thing to know is most studs are either 2x4s or 2x6s. And they're generally placed 16 to 24 inches apart from each other. However, when you get into the corners or near doors, they may be slightly different just to make up for where the door had to be or where they drew the door to be. Another way you could find studs is you could get a nail like these here, a roofing nail or a brad nail or really any type of nail that you want. And you could hold the nail and you could nail it through the sheetrock until you feel like you hit something solid. If you hit something solid, it'll be real hard to pull it back out with your fingers. You'll have to get it back out with the hammer. If you didn't hit something solid, you can just grab it with your fingers and pull it back out. Basically, if you hit something solid, usually it's a 2x4, and hope it's not a pipe.